The Biomagnetic Guide continues to evolve to offer you the best tool in your therapeutic practice. The new version, BMG 8.2, is now available.
When installing the offline version, you can choose between using it as a standalone application or directly in your favorite browser. We recommend Google Chrome. This update incorporates 53 new articles in the Bioemotion section and an optimized search engine that now integrates all the entries in the Bioemotional Guide, allowing you to find what you need instantly.
Download and installation. To begin, make sure you purchase your Pro or Duo package in our online store. Once you have your username and password, log into biomagneticguide.net. In the Download section, you will find the files corresponding to your plan. Lists of disorders in PDF format, ideal for printing. Pendulum testing tables, contribution by architect Ricardo Fuduric. Offline Guide 8.2, now available for Windows and Android. Note, the Mac version is currently at 8.1. We will notify you as soon as 8.2 is ready. Today we will download the Windows version. Upon clicking, the system will confirm your available activations and begin the download. Once the BMG-8.2.exe file is downloaded, run it by double-clicking it. If your antivirus displays an alert, you can fully trust the software and select Install Anyway. After accepting the legal terms and medical disclaimer, you will see the specifications and the installation path. It is very important not to change this path to ensure proper operation. Shortcut configuration. A key step is creating desktop icons. We recommend enabling both. 1. Application mode opens the guide in a separate window with a clean and professional interface. 2. Browser mode, ideal for taking advantage of tools like Google Chrome's automatic translator, allowing you to consult the guide in any language, currently available natively in Spanish and English. We click Next and it gives us a summary of the installation parameters. We click Install and the installation begins. This only takes a few seconds. Once installed, it gives us the option to open the software as an application. We click Finish. And here we can see our guide as an application. On the first access, the system will ask for your username and password to unlock and register your copy. New interface features, a quick look at the improvements. Customization, in the upper right corner, the gear icon allows you to change the color theme and the guide's appearance. Redesigned homepage, now with more colorful and visual buttons for intuitive access. Disorders Index, access 396 disorders treatable with biomagnetism, explained through more than 600 specialized articles. Protocols and training. We have detailed protocol sections, such as the 173 basic points recommended for beginners in biomagnetism. We have the basic session guide, which tells you step by step how to conduct a session. Or, the advanced session guide, which includes additional tools such as holograms and constellations, and other topics that can be tested using bioenergetics, that is, the advanced level of biomagnetism. If you wish to delve deeper, we invite you to our courses, Basic and Advanced. Available in Spanish and English, which you can access through our portal, gfols.org. The Zone Protocol is one of the most widely used tools in practice for performing a complete assessment. From here, you can also access the various articles in the guide. New features in Bioemotion and Search. In the What's New section, you'll see the new articles added in this version, bringing the total to 243 articles in the Bioemotional Guide. All articles are integrated into the alphabetical index and presented using the biodecoding approach. The search engine is now more powerful. For example, when searching for flu, the system will show you both biomagnetism pairs and the bioemotion approach, marked with a hyphen and the word bioemotion. From the Bioemotional Guide article, you can access the same topic from a biomagnetism perspective to learn about the biomagnetism pairs you can use to treat, in this case, the flu. Whether you prefer the smooth operation of the application or the versatility of a browser, version 8.2 is designed to enhance your work as a therapist. If you have any questions, please write to us at attention.gmbm@gmail.com.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other colleagues. Thank you for being part of this community.